Getting audience to engage with your content is what we are covering in this video series so that you will be able now to get people that you are going to nurture into buying customers, right? So what you need to do, you need to stay tuned, subscribe to this channel so that you get other videos that are part of this series that I am going to be releasing to help you to be getting customers or to be getting leads that you will later convert into buying customers. In this video, we are talking all things identifying your audience, and of course, how do you then use the pain point in order for you to connect with your perfect client that will be buying from you. Quickly, before we get to crafting the content that's going to be giving you leads, let me first tell you who I am and why I've decided to be creating this series for you. I am Rural Girl. All I do, I just buy products. These are digital products. Then I sell them for 100% profit. I create my own. I am again self-employed since 2012, and I give AMA tips on how to improve your credit score and of course getting out of debt. I also invest with stock market and be collecting AMA dividend cash out. All right. I do have other small businesses that are giving me cash flow, and the list is going on and on and on. But yeah, today we are about helping you creating content that's going to be giving you money so that you will get to a point of collecting this cash flow. First things first, before you can get a lead that you can nurture into somebody buying from you, you first need to identify your audience. Who are you talking to? Your audience again is a group of people that you are going to be talking to that are looking for a solution that you are having, and these people are ready to invest in that solution. In order for you to be identifying this group of people, you need to be asking yourself some questions such as, what is their pain point? What are their wishes? What are their desires? What is keeping them up at night? What is making them cry? The list goes on and on. The reason you want to be doing that is so that you make them feel understood. You can only do that by creating the content that resonates with them. You do this by understanding their pain points. So I highly, highly, highly recommend that you must be going through this pain point yourself, or these are pain points that you must have gone through yourself at some point. Because when you are speaking from the point of experience, they will then feel understood. And when that happens, they will then connect with you and be coming to your page to be watching more and more and more of your videos. And these is the process where they are going to be getting more and more and more again connected, more and more again understood, right? And when that happens, they will then be ready to be coming and be buying from you. So this is what you are going to be doing now. You are going to be pausing this video. Then you think of your current situation that is stressing you at the moment, or that once stressed you. Okay. Then you list that down, right? And right below that, you list all the pain points that are created by this situation. These are pains that you are feeling from this situation that you are currently having, or these are pain points that you felt at the time when you were going through this situation. So yes, please do pause the video, think of the situation, you write it down, and you list all the pains that you are feeling because of the situation, or that you felt because of that situation. Okay, right now you are seated with the list of human experience pain points that are going to be connecting you to somebody who's going to be buying from you, because they are likely to be going through the very same points that you've listed. Okay, so from that list, what you're going to do, you are going to pick one pain point, and we are going to be creating content around that. Let us now have a look at the structure that we are going to be using in order for us to create the content with this pain point that is going to be bringing you a lead. This is the simplest structure that is going to be bringing you a lead. Firstly, you call out the pain point. This should be at the first sentence of what you are going to be saying in your video so that people will stop and listen to you, right? Number two, you tell them what to do after they've listened to you calling out their pain point. This is what is known as a call to action. So some will be asking their audience to comment ready, others one. I myself like asking my audience to comment how. After asking them to comment ready, you then need to tell them what solution are they to get where you are directing them to. This is very important so that you extract the right lead from the crowd, right? Keep in mind that not everybody is your potential client, right? Everybody might hear your message, but not everybody will be buying from you. So what you need to do, you just need to get the right one from the group that are listening to your message and be speaking to that person, and of course direct that person to where they are going to be finding the solution so that you get to nurture them and they will then buy from you. Now that you've identified your pain point and you've identified the call to action, and of course you've identified where you are going to be directing them to find the solution, let us have a look at my example so that your video will be sounding like this one when you are done. My pain point is debt to be paid with less income, and of course my call to action is for them to comment how, so I will direct them to a solution which is a side hustle ideas that is going to help them generate extra income so that they are going to be making extra payments to their monthly repayments, and sooner they will be paying that debt off. Now that we are done scripting our video, you should be seated with the done product that is sounding like the following one. If you want to be paying off your debt by the end of 2025, but you are worried that you will not be able to do so simply because your income is less than your expenses, please comment how. I will be sure to direct you on where to find the information that is packed with side hustle ideas that you can start in 2025 so you get an extra cash flow to be paying extra to your monthly repayments. That way, you are going to be debt free sooner than you know, right? But please do keep in mind that the sooner you send me the how, and the sooner I will be sending you to the information. See you in the comment section. Well done, well done, well done, well done. You have created your video that is having a potential to be bringing you more leads. These are people that will be commenting what you've just asked them to comment so that you nurture them to be buying from you. Again, well done. This is the structure that you are going to be using moving forward in order for you to be collecting more and more and more leads. Please keep in mind that the more leads you collect, the more potential sales you are seated on. So do not sleep on this structure. It does work. It is working for me. I know for sure that it will be working for you. We have come to an end of this video, and I know that you are having loads of ideas of videos that you're going to be creating using this structure. Listen, I know it works. If it's working for me, it will definitely be working for you. But what you need to be doing first, you need to hit the subscribe button so that you get to be notified when I am uploading the next video of this series where we are going to be learning all about using desires to be getting leads. Super, super, super important. And again, please do like this video, share it with somebody that you think will find it helpful, and comment if you gain some value from this video. I know and understand that we don't grab information the same as human beings. Some will get the information from here and run with it and be collecting leads. But I do know that some, again, will find it difficult to understand exactly because they understand things we one-on-one setting. That's why I have created this one-on-one power hour. You access it by clicking the link in the description box. I am going to be giving you my hour where we are going to be identifying your niche together. We are coming up with our pain points together. We create the content around those pain points together. And of course, we then structure the content that's going to be bringing you leads. And there are bonuses that comes with that as you are having a look at them, like your content strategy. We come up with that together, the mastery, the planner, the list goes on and on and on. If you really want this, you will please click the link in the description box. Then you book your session with me. I will be giving you this power hour, and extra, I will be giving you another hour. So you are going to be having 2 good hours with me where we talk nothing but your content that converts. While waiting for the next video, please do watch this video where I'm sharing with you step by step how I made my first 5 sales selling done for you products. These are MRR products that I kept 100% profit all to myself. And again, thank you so very much. See you in the next video.